say anymore about the Terminator X. I've been waiting on this. This system here is the Max, Terminator Max. It's not the regular Terminator, it's the Terminator Max. We got the harness itself. You got a relay automatically already on there. You got the connectors, and the good thing about it, everything is named. As you can see, everything is named. This is the power for the battery. This here is the monitor screen where you can actually tune it with. My bad, I'm sorry. This is the little screen here, and it actually comes with a SD card, micro SD card. So that's a good thing also. Little screen. Basically for the dash. These are the fuel injection harness. O2 sensor. Holley EFI Terminator X Max. And the difference between these are the connector pieces. It has 4 different connectors, and this is the vacuum. So this is my computer for my 5.3.
Mama, we made it.
This should be the transmission. Yeah, this is the transmission harness. Think about this Harley Terminator X, man. I've been doing a lot of research on it. It's a great product to have. You can do your own tune with this. Comes with the little stickers. And you got your parts guide. And the Terminator the X, and then you got the Terminator X Max. So it actually tells you the difference and everything. But got it in. Pretty much it. Other than the vacuum plugs that comes with it for the adapter on the vacuum on the back of this for the vacuum. And this adapter pieces. Pretty much it. But overall, I just want to do a review on this because, like I say, I looked at it and so many different people put it on their setups and it ran so good. And not only that, I see that everybody that's doing the LS swap, they're waiting to like June, July, August of this year to actually even get a tune. So I figured, okay, when I do my swap, yeah, you're done with the swap, but you still have to get the car tuned. So now I can do my own tunes in the car. So that'll be a good thing to look out for. That's why I really want to do this review, to let people know that if you're doing the LS swap, man, save the money to get you a Harley Terminator. If you can, go ahead and get the Terminator Max. That way you can control the engine and you can control the transmission. You can control the full system of everything that matters on there. Everything goes through this little box right here, this little LCD. And trust me, it's worth your buck. You get the bang for your buck. Trust me. But anyway, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Once again, I'm be giving away a TV every month. A free TV every month. That's right, every month. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss out on that. We got a $200 cash out once I get up to 500 subscribers. So, subscribe, man. Get on your friends, your family, whoever pages and subscribe. Because once we get at 500, I'm going to be doing a $200 giveaway. Last cash out was a $100 giveaway. So we're going to keep stepping it up and we're going to keep showing love to all our people, man. Stay safe out there with your mask, wash your hands, man, and just stay corona free, man. And I thank y'all for supporting me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I thank y'all. Gas tank finally in. I've been waiting for this for a couple of days. I had ordered one and sent it back because I wanted a bigger one. So pull it out. See if we can pull it out. Gas tank. So let's see here. We got the connectors over here. You know, this is all aluminum. Fuel cell, 20 gallon. Chrome top, chrome everything. All chrome. Comes with the sender unit. This is a 20 gallon. 20 gallon. Pretty big. But yeah, it's in. We finally got it in. And you already know what's next, man. We gotta take that gas tank out and put this one in, and we're gonna be rocking and rolling. Y'all stay tuned, man. What's going on, everybody? We got a new package coming in. Let's check it out. Comes from Jegs. You already know. Check this thing out. Let's see what we got here. another box. Box inside of a box. Also, while I'm unboxing, I just want to remind y'all that we have a $200 cash out giveaway that'll be coming, and also that we will have a monthly giveaway now. We'll be giving a TV away every month. Every month we'll be giving away a TV, so stay tuned. Subscribe. I hope you got that notification bell check. I'm not gonna edit that, so hey, let's get it going. Somebody's gonna win a TV, man. All right. What we got here are straps. The straps for the gas tank. Y'all already seen the gas tank. These just basic metal straps that go all the way around to make sure that we secure. See the screws for it. Oh, we just put the screws. That's a screw somewhere. Either way, got more stickers, jags. Also, like I say, we have a giveaway. $200 cash out. Somebody's gonna win that. Also, somebody's gonna win a free TV. So stay tuned and stay looking out and stay supporting. Stay safe out there. Keep your mask on. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? You ain't cool if you ain't got an old school. That's the new slogan, man. Go visit skyscraperseason.com. I got my merch on now. You need to have your merch on. Anyway, anybody that got a Cutlass, Regal, Monte Carlo, whatever kind of car you got, we can get those shirts made for you also. DM me and I can get your shirts made where you can get your own merch line. Also, once again, we have a $200 cash out giveaway. So the way to enter that is all you got to do is visit skyscraperseason.com. Buy anything that's over $20 and you automatically be entered. So the enter is going down. Congratulations to the last winner. This time it's going bigger. We're doing $200 giveaway. So stay tuned.